to meet you with the new lessons for the upcoming session, right? And you guys know lots of things around your world every day. Now, just I'll ask you a few questions before that. When you go for a ice cream shop, probably, or else general shops, wherever you go, how do you buy the things?
The trolley or bag.
Sorry? How do you buy the things? With money, okay. You will give money, what they will do? So what they will give? So for the thing which you want to get it, just for an example, if you want to buy a oil, then give you the oil, but you will pay like a money, okay? But what is the measurement of the oil? The liters. Why do we measure in the liters? Why don't we measure in a kilogram?
Because it's a water.
It's like liquid. So it is in a volume. It is in a volume. So how they used to measure it? So you are going to give 120 rupees, right? You are going to give 120 rupees. They are going to give you 1 liter of refined oil. How do they measure this? When you are able to give 120 rupees, they can give 120 liters, right? Why they are giving that 1 liter? The value of the oil is 120 rupees for 1 liter of oil. How we are just comparing the money with the liters. This is what called comparing what? We are comparing the quantity, not the quality. Now tell me that what is the difference between quantity and quality?
Quantity is the amount of which we buy, and quality is different. If we check if it's good or not.
So just for an example, in one kind of oil you are getting for 120 rupees, another kind of oil you are getting it for 200 rupees, and then the next level oil you are talking about the 270 or 80 rupees. Which is better? 70 rupees. What is the reason of it? That is the quality. Here the quantities have been compared. That's it. We are going to compare only the quantities. We are not going to talk about the quality. But the quantities also will differ according to their quality. 120 rupees you can buy 1 liter of oil, but same kind of oil, which means some different quality, means you can buy only half liter. What is the reason? The quality of the oil is high, so the quantity of oil will become less. Okay. So this is how we are going to compare the quantities. Okay. Now let's talk about mathematics itself. May I or any one of you share your cycle testimony? That's what the question they give us. 18 out of 20. Okay. He has scored 18 out of 20. What percentage of mark he have been recorded? What percentage of mark he secured?
80.
Yes. His answer. What is the percentages? 90%. Okay. How do you measure it as a 90%?
Sir, basically percent means that the denominator has to be 100, sir.
The denominator has to be 100. So he scored only 18 marks out of 20. You are told that it is a 90% of mark. How will you find it? Here is the first step of a comparing quantity. The first step of a comparing quantity is nothing but finding the answer for percentum, which means percentage. What it is? Centum means 100. Centum means percentum means for the 100. That is in English we call it as percentage. What is percentage? So now we are going to find the percentage. He has scored 18 marks from 20. From how many percentages? 100%. Isn't it? Now let me simplify these two, and 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So there is nothing with the denominator, then 18 fives are is nothing but it is. What is the percentage of mock have secured now? 90. So whenever we talk about a percentage, what is the number supposed to put in your mind? Percentage means percent. What it is? Percent. There is a Latin word, it has derived as a percentage. Derived as a percentage. Probably given in your book, I think so. Look it over later. Fine. So this is just an introduction about comparing quantities. Even how we work in on it. If it is a case study, how we work on it, we have seen that. So let's go with some others. Any others? Can you share any others more? Second just more. Yes. 90. If it is 90, what will be the percentage? 95. 95 or 45? 95. How does 95? Here comes a case study now. 19 by 20. Again it is going to be multiplied with 100. Again it will be 5. 19 into 5 is nothing but it is 95%. So by using this way, you can find out how many percentage of mark you have to score. Minimum of 33% you have to score, then only you got the pass mark. If not, you have secured a fail mark as per the CBSE. So this is what a little thing about the comparing quantities of the case study about the comparing quantities. In the next class, let's talk about that.